Oh, it is very heavy. Oh. Ooh. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I am Alex from 3D Factory, and in this video we are learning to ride a two-wheel electric skateboard. Let's start the video. I will begin with the beginnings and I will tell you about this video. I did see it 2 years ago and I liked the idea, but I did not understand too much from his project. I did not know if it's safe to ride it. And about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, a Kickstarter was launched. Here it is the video.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Dave, and this is a speedboard. I've been dreaming of making this board for 17 years. This is a ride. Yeah?
Tina Brown. I've been riding speedboard for 2 months now. It's exciting when I'm flying along, it's challenging when I'm riding the concrete waves and practicing turns, and it's comfortable when I'm cruising. I love the speedboard. Speedboard life! Yes!
And definitely after I see this project, I did want to have the board. And I managed to improvise something. I used 2 hubs from Xiaomi scooters and the controller from an electric skateboard. But let's stop talking, let's run outside. This is amazing. This is my first impression. This project, this is amazing. Two-wheel drive skateboard. What I can say, my first impression is like you need to learn to ride it as like you learn to ride the bicycle. If you go with slow speeds, definitely you're gonna have a lot of wobbles and you're gonna think oh no, I cannot drive this. But when you accelerate and keep the constant speed, it is very stiff. The thing, the new thing this speedboard use. Yeah, I will go to ride a little more. Okay, my second impression is I don't know how to jump without to hold a fence or a lamp pole or something. Look, here it is, how you start. Okay, this is amazing to ride. You need to keep the balance all the time because it is two-wheel drive, two-wheel skateboard, but it's just feeling like you surf, you know, like when you are on the waves and you move, like it is crazy. Definitely you need to check out the Kickstarter and see how this speedboard is gonna be released, because definitely you need to ride this. And the big corner. Whew. I'm used to take the corner before, like the skateboard, but this is taking very fast, the cornering. It's like too fast. Oh. Let's go faster. Wow, it's amazing. And faster. Woohoo! Oh, I need to be careful. I just start. Woohoo, so cool. Definitely you need to get used to it, but after you get used to it, you cannot stop riding it. Wow. Oh my god, the brakes are too powerful. And the acceleration as well. I will keep it in the third gear to have smooth acceleration and okay brakes. Yeah, because I'm using a electric skateboard controller, the brakes are very good, and these very big hubs, they will stop very quickly. Yeah. I start to freeze because it's like 7 degrees outside, and I will go back into my house. Corner. Now let's go back home on this board. I think I have only 10 minutes. I am out and I know how to ride it. It's very quick to learn. If you know how to ride a bicycle, definitely this is gonna be safe. Only with your feet. This was all because I'm freezing. I will go home and you leave me a comment if you want to see a better version of two-wheel electric skateboard. I enjoy it so far. See you next time. Believe me, it is very freezing outside. Now there are 9 degrees. And this is my video for today. I hope you enjoy it and learn something. Leave me a comment if you want to see a better version of this electric skateboard with 2 wheels. And to the next time. Bye!